Good morning, dear students. Today we shall do activity 3. This is based on the topic subtraction of 6-digit numbers. This is from page number 43. Question number 1 for explanation. Subtract number E 5,32,640. From this number we have to subtract 2,75,324. So from this number we have to subtract this. So let us begin with the ones place digits. You can see 0 minus 4. We cannot subtract 4 from 0 because 0 is less than 4. To subtract, this number has to be greater than this. So what we have to do? We have to borrow 1 from the next digit and make it a bigger number. Suppose from 4, if I take 1, it will become 10, and this 4 will become 3 because I have taken 1 from the 4. 10 minus 4 is 6. Now we shall check if we can subtract this 2 from this number or not. Here we have 3 and here we have 2. We have to subtract 2 from 3. 2 is smaller than 3, therefore we can subtract it. 3 minus 2 is 1. In the next number we have 6. From 6 we have to subtract 3. 6 minus 3 is 3. In thousands place you can see that we have 2 and 5. From 2 we have to subtract 5. It is not possible as 5 is greater than 2. So we shall check the next digit. So from the next digit we shall take 1. It becomes 12. So I will write here 12. And this 3 will become 2. 12 minus 5 is 7, and from this 2 we have to subtract 7 now. 7 is greater than 2, so we have to take 1 and it becomes 12. This 5 becomes 4. 12 minus 7 is 5. 4 minus 2 is 2. So your answer is 2,57,316. We shall go to question number 2. Find the difference between 67800 and 345925. We have two numbers. We have to find the difference between this and these numbers. So what we shall do? We shall draw a place value chart. As you can see here, I have drawn the place value chart, and entering the number from the back side, I have entered the numbers in the place value chart. Now we have to subtract the numbers. Then we get the difference between the two numbers. Now we will check from the ones place. In ones place we have 0 and 5. From 0 we have to subtract 5. As 0 is smaller than 5, we cannot subtract, so we shall check from the check the number in the next place. Here also we are having 0. We cannot borrow 1 from 0. We cannot borrow anything from 0. So for borrowing the number, we shall go to the next place. Here we have 8, so we can borrow 1 from 8, it becomes 10, and this 8 after borrowing 1, it will become 7. From 10 I can again borrow 1 for this place, so it will become 10, and this 10 will become 9. Now this is 10 minus 5, 10 minus 5 is 5, 9 minus 2 is 7, 7 minus 9 we cannot subtract because 9 is greater than 7. Again we have to borrow 1, so it becomes 17, and 7 will become 6. 17 minus 9 is 8, 6 minus 5 is 1, 6 minus 4 is 2, 6 minus 3 is 3. Therefore the difference between the two numbers is 3,21,875.